Let's make some Juicy Lucy burgers.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and yes, you heard me, we're making Juicy Lucy burgers. Now, what are Juicy Lucy burgers? Well, Juicy Lucy burgers are basically the cheese is inside the burger. So instead of on top, you put it inside, you cook the burger, and then the idea is the cheese melts inside. I know, mind-blowing. So Juicy Lucy burgers, I think, originated somewhere in Minnesota. It's a Minneapolis, Minnesota kind of thing, and I've made them a few times, but it's been a long time since I've made them, and so I want to make them again for you guys. And so enough chit chat, let's get started. So I'm going to try this two different ways. I got cheddar cheese, and then I got regular American cheese. I'm going to kind of see which one melts better. I'm sure that the cheddar cheese will taste better, but I want to hear me out. And then there's going to be a few where I'm going to put cheese on top as well, because why not? So we're going to do half-pound burgers, and I'm going to break this in half, or cut this in half, not break it. Cut it in half, and then cut it in half again. And those will be my two halves for my burger, and we'll put them together. Right, patty, okay? Salt and pepper, essential seasoning. Okay. Bam, burger on the griddle. So I'm gonna go inside and get a plate so I can make this a little easier. But we're gonna make the rest of these right back. This one's probably about medium. You can see the cheese came out just a little bit, but the other ones are doing fine. So we're just about done here. Alright, so here we go. I'm excited. So let's take this burger bun and let's go with the OG, but let's go with the one that's got the cheese on it. This one looks stellar. No ketchup and mustard, because OG, like so. Look at that. That is a behemoth. Wow. Alright. Scoot this off to the side, get that out of the way, put this guy up here, let's cut her in half, see how it looks. Woo. Yep, I'd say there's some melted cheese in there. I'm excited. Alright, it's definitely a greasy burger, it's definitely a juicy burger, it lives up to the name, but wow, that is a cardiac arrest. I tell you what. Woo, that's a lot of cheese. That's really good. Yeah, that's a lot of cheese in there, but very juicy burger, very flavorful burger. That's really good. I'm just glad that not all the cheese melted out of it, because that would have been really sad. I've been really upset if all the cheese melted out. But it definitely did its job, and you could definitely eat one of these. That's for certain. One of these is plenty, and maybe honestly without the cheese, you don't need all that extra cheese. But there you have it, a Juicy Lucy burger and a very messy burger. But if you like this video, comment down below. Tell me what I should do next. What do you want to see me make next? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it, and as always, peace out, guys.